Hello everyone, it's Donna, and I just wanted to share a little bit of what I've done for my dollhouse project this week. I don't know how many of you know I like to sew. I don't get to sew as much as I used to, but I still like it, and I try to when I can. Anyway, I have a little bit of a fabric stash, and I thought, well, if I'm going to have a dollhouse, why not have a dollhouse that has a little sewing and or craft room? And I got this rainbow high house, and I'm not really going to use the washroom as an actual laundry room in here all the time. I mean, it might be nice every once in a while, but I just can't see myself filming doing laundry. But making videos of sewing or crafting or something like that, and to be able to have my dolls sew, they need to have some sewing supplies. So the Rainbow High had this design and create set that had a lot of the little things for sewing. And I thought, well, you know what? They had a couple of little rolls of fabric, but nothing that a serious seamstress would use. So I figure I'm going to give my dolls a fabric selection, a stash worthy of someone who is going to sew. So these are my first bolts that I made, um, just to get the sizing. They're about an inch and a half wide, and they are 4 inches tall, and that's very close to scale to what they would be in real life. I think they would probably be closer to maybe an inch wide or so, but I just didn't feel comfortable me myself cutting it that narrow, not by hand anyway. So this is to give you an idea of some of the things that might be going on in the background. I'm hoping to have more. I'm trying to figure out some modular shelving. I'm also working out some curtain ideas that I want to actually use in the house itself. So I have lots of little ideas for this room. It may be come like a kitchen pantry, or, you know, lots of different things. It could be a home office, home studio, who knows. But this room will be used for lots of different things. Anyway, this is just the first video of the sewing and crafting room makeover portion of this room. Hope you like it. If you do, let me know. If you don't, give me some ideas of things that you would do for a craft room for your dolls. Talk to you later. Bye.